While I'm in the kitchen today, I thought I would talk about this 4-bowl nesting mixing set. These bowls come in like a small, and then like a medium, and then what I call, of course, the large. Now I did some measuring on these just so that I could give you a good review on them. The small holds approximately 4 cups, and I put them like right here. The next one holds 6 cups. The next size holds 8, and the large holds 10. So these have a really good capacity to them. I figured because it's important to me, it would be important to you. So I wanted to show you how these pour. I am demonstrating with the large size because that's 10 cups, and I figured like that's going to be the heaviest. So I want to show you how easy these are to pour. All right, I've got, like I said, 10 cups of water in here. You can see it's just going really well. The bowl is easy to balance. It's not too heavy, although it does have 10 cups in it. But for something like this, when you are trying to either save space on your, in your cupboards, or if you're just wanting something that's really easy to handle and use, you can't go wrong with these. They fit nicely into cupboards. They don't take up a lot of space, and they're very ergonomic.